let's first get into S3. There you create a bucket. Here I have created a bucket called density test and created a folder called input where I have kept the sample dataset. And then I have kept my Python programs here. Now let's try to run the most used word Python program from your EMR cluster. So let's get into Elastic MapReduce. Create cluster. I have a list of cluster. Maybe I'll try to clone one of them. Change it to North Virginia. Okay. Let me. I'm cloning the existing one. So given that cluster name as density test, termination production, yes. Even if the job fails, the cluster will not get terminated. I'll be writing into the S3 bucket for the logs. Maybe I will select logs to log 2 or create a new log better. Log 3 debugging enabled. I'm using Amazon Hadoop distribution version 3.2.1 and also I've added Hive and Pig as you can see. Then the network, leave it as it is. Easy to subnet, no preference. One master and two core instances. I'm using my AWS key and I'm not allowing other IAM users to access this. Using EMR default role, and this one I have created my role in the uh, security credentials with the full admin access. Now there are few bootstrap actions that I'm doing. I'll show you. Basically, I am fetching the MR job tar file from my bucket density test. You can see it is being stored here. You can see inside the bootstrap actions, I have the tar file. So that I'm fetching and then installing within the master instance of Hadoop under the home Hadoop directory. Unzip it here, then set the path of the bin folder. Then these are my AWS access key, secret access key. Then I will go to that directory, home Hadoop MR job, and then install the MR job using the sudo command. So this file also I have placed it here within the density bootstrap actions folder. So that I am going to add as a custom action during the bootstrap. So I'm going to density test bootstrap actions. I'm using that shell script, selecting it, adding it. So it got added here. Now I'll take you through to the streaming program, the custom program that we have written. So auto terminate is no. Let's configure this streaming program. So, so the program is in S3 bucket. I'm going to use most used word py. You select it. There is no reduce for that program. Let me check that. Yeah, there is a reducer. So let's go back. Let's choose that program as the reducer. So in this case, both mapper and reducer are the same Python programs. So the data again in the S3 bucket, which is under input. So I'll select that folder. For output, let me refresh the page. As you can see, it has already completed the steps of installing Hadoop, Hive, Pig. Now it's currently running the our custom Python program, most used where.py. So you can view all the jobs and view tasks. I think all are completed. So there are four map, tasks and three reduced tasks. All are successful. As you can see, it succeeded. Similar way, map also succeeded. Now it should have returned the output to the S3 bucket. Let's go to density test. So we have given output as output, right? So here you can see three files being written. So maybe we can download one of them. Save link as. Maybe I'll give it in downloads folder. Save. And let's open this. So 2 is 0 time. The most number of times, I think the number 1 would have appeared. Let's download this. Yeah, 1 has appeared 93,603 times in the tiny.dat file. So this is the output of the program. Thank you.